This is good for 2 by 4 foot area for flowering or fruiting, and a 3 by 4 foot area for simple vegetative growth. You can see it comes packed pretty well in here. It comes with a wall timer, a digital wall timer, which is a nice bonus. Okay, we've got the adjustable ratchets for hanging the light. There's 2 of them, 1 for each side. And then the cable for each side. I'll show you how this stuff connects here in a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the box. So this is a nice light, guys. So it has an authentic mean well driver. Okay, so you can see the mean well driver here. This is a very nice top of the line driver. It's this new technology where it's just on this aluminum slab. So there's no moving parts, there's no fans, there's nothing that has to be running to keep this thing cool. So that's really nice technology. You can see we've got the Samsung LM301B diodes all over the bottom here, and this is a full spectrum light. It's not the ugly purple that we've gotten used to. This is like a sunlight colored light, good for vegetative and flowering. This does have a dimmer switch on it as well, which is really nice. And we're getting ready to turn it. I'm going to turn it on and just show you just how bright this is. And I'm actually going to put my sunglasses on for this. Go ahead and plug this into my power strip. It just plugs into a standard US wall outlet. I'm sure they have other outlets for if you're in a different country. I am in the US, so mine came with the standard US outlet. Okay, there's the dimmer switch. First I'm gonna face this away from me. And let's see here. Okay, I think the dimmer switch is also the power switch. Yes, so there it is, on and dimmed. I'm going to ask my camera person to close their eyes. I'm going to turn this towards the camera so you can see it. You can see all the different color LEDs, including the infrareds, which are nice. And now I am going to go ahead and turn this up to full brightness. Wow, that is like looking at the sun. So I'm going to turn it back off. My camera person can uncover their eyes now. That is a very, very bright light. So this light comes with a 3-year warranty. It's got a runtime of 50,000 hours on it. It is IP65 waterproof, which is really nice when you're dealing with plants. Obviously, you're dealing with water, so it's nice to have a waterproof grow light. And let me just lay this foam down so we don't damage our LEDs. And I'll just show you real quick how you hook up the hangers. So we just take out this set of cables here. And you can see we've got a carabiner at the top, got our cables here. And we are just gonna clip these on here, just like that. And you've got your hanger, and then from there, and you just do that on each side. I'm only going to do one side now for the sake of the video. And then from there, you can hang your ratchet onto something, pull up this little clip. Oh, let me unbundle my slack here. Pull down on this little clip, and now this is adjustable. And so then you can easily adjust the height of your light with this ratchet. And it comes with 2 of those, 1 for each side. So just a really nice setup, guys, really nice kit. Again, it comes with the digital wall timer, which you're gonna need anyway, so that's even more value for your money. And with a mean well driver and Samsung chips and an IP65 waterproof rating with a 3-year warranty, how can you go wrong on this light? This thing is awesome, guys. Highly recommended.